Hello?
How are
Can you
you?
hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Why does the volume become so less?
Pata nahi. I
Hello?
think everybody is on Instagram these days, so it's becoming like a little heavy.
कैसी हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं? सुना है कि Instagram. I think you're going to OD on this, and then 2 दिन में you'll be like मेरा दिल
I
हो गया.
I know. आज I think आज
Yeah.
आज इसके बाद मेरी बात हो चुकी होगी by the end of it. अभी वो
Yeah.
मानी ने मुझे ले गया ऊपर. He called me
हाँ,
up. He
no, I
said कि
saw
you
you
have to
with
go.
Mani and Hira, but you were amazing because you asked Mani, you asked Hira, what do you do? And I was like, wow. Only Anirudh can ask a question like that because she did a really big play recently.
I know, but you know that I have no fucking clue what the hell's going on with the play scene, ना? तुम्हें तो पता
Yeah,
है.
I know. But like it was hilarious because you were just so like, हाँ हीरा क्या कर रही हो तुम आजकल? तुम टीवी पे हो, मॉडलिंग कर रही हो? And I was like, oh. She's like a pretty big deal these days.
But it's good. I'm really enjoying this, man. I swear. It's like, you know, I mean, you guys have been on this for तुम्हें तो मेरा तुम्हारे से फोन ही छूनता रहता था हर वक्त कि फोन छोड़ दो बट अब मुझे एहसास हो रहा है कि ये तो बड़ी मजे का काम है.
I mean, I would like to take pride in the fact that I think I was one of the first people to actually do this whole live thing. It was so much fun, and it happened 3 weeks ago. I started 3 weeks ago. And I just started taking the public on, which was a lot of fun also.
No, I'm just surprised. This like for me, this changes the whole ball game for me, right? You know, I was just talking to Neera right now कि अगर हम अपनी कोई एल्बम निकालते थे या कोई म्यूजिक निकालते थे तो उसका अगर हम लेट्स से अपनी तरफ से कॉन्सर्ट क्या कहते हैं क्या होता है वो जो लाइव लॉन्च शो करना चाहते थे तो लॉन्च शो करने के लिए 400 लोग भी मुश्किल से आते थे, you know? I mean, it was just so expensive. We'd have to spend hundreds and thousands of rupees and everything. And at the end of the day, थोड़े से लोग सुनते थे और बाकी लोग चले जाते थे. You know, that's even like.
And everything's online. Maybe you should.
Yeah, everything is changed.
Collaborate and do a music video for sure.
Yeah, totally. I think this is gonna. Alina, sorry, can you do me a favor? Like white headphones कहीं शायद पड़े हैं ऊपर छत में. I can't hear her at all. वो bedroom नहीं उस कमरे में bedroom में ना.
The Bluetooth one.
नहीं, just regular white रंग के headphones हैं. Because I can't hear her that well.
Mehdi saying hi, Ali bro, listen. Vaji saying Ali bro, listen to me.
Ali bro, listen.
Ali,
Mom, fuck it. How?
An audio or a video of your new song Banjo, please do so.
Actually, that's what I want to talk about. You are coming in my video.
Yeah.
Anusha,
okay.
You have to sing for me. You have to play for me. Dance for me.
Yeah.
Banjo पे.
किस को अपनी
और ये देखो ये हमने एक भंड मार दिया भूल गए
किस को अपनी जिंदगी में डालोगे किस को अपनी म्यूजिक वीडियोस में डालोगे क्या करोगे तुम तुम्हारा दिल इतना बड़ा है
ये हमेशा से ही सिलसिला है तुम्हें याद है तुम पहले कैसे आई थी हमारे वीडियो में ये एक जिंदगी का हमारा स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर है
I think you should take a lot of people who follow you live in your music videos.
You know, on a serious note, I just feel so like pumped up because for the first time, I am like, I think this is a great opportunity for me to talk and, you know, talk about the music that I want to do, all the things that I want to do. In the past, it was always कि भी कोई interview हुआ तो होगा. This just, या कोई television पे जाएंगे तो होगा. The whole fucking, you know, complication is gone. We do whatever we want to do and people can come. And it doesn't matter how many followers one has. It doesn't matter if you have 1,000 followers or like 1 million followers. It just doesn't matter.
It doesn't.
This is unbelievable. It's just unbelievable.
It matters for brands. I think brands come in when they say things like, "हाँ, इनकी इतनी following है या इनका account इतना engaging है." But I just feel like.
No, but brands are irrelevant. Na? Brands don't help you create your own art. Brands want their thing.
Course by Ali Noor. Brands are irrelevant. Amazing. Well done.
Brands can go fuck themselves. I can tell them. Even the brands themselves know that they can go fuck themselves.
What is wrong with you? You are becoming like you like becoming like you know, one of those like well, if you have this page, I think you're gonna have millions of followers because this is actually what you're good at. People were like waiting for you to come on and just have a chat with you and ask you questions.
I think this is the best time ever. The fact that we can say whatever you want to say. When you're like, I was just talking to Mani about this as well, that when we started out, We had to, you know, we had like those small slots, the 2-minute slot to talk to the VJ, you know. अभी मुझे बिल्कुल लग रहा है तो मेरी VJ और मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रही है और हम दोनों टीवी में बैठे हुए, मुझे वो वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. एंड उसमें जो एमांसिपेशन की फीलिंग है वो अनबिलीवेबल है, you know. Who the A.H. Murad says, watch your tongue. Is this the tongue that you're talking about, Murad? Which tongue, Murad? This tongue.
I'm not saying been watching Noori since Noori was on Everyday on English Music. Ali Noor, right, or bands can go F themselves. Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you know what? I was just saying that we used to just have like, what, 2 minutes of talk time, then we had to play that song, then we had to like, you know, you couldn't say what you wanted to say. I mean, Usuk ke hisab se bhi, Nusha, if you remember, you used to, you really like, you know, you're sort of, you were very emancipated for that time, you know? And that's what I loved about you.
Mohsin's asking, Ali bhai, आपके calls कौन सही कर रहा होता है आपके शीशे पे हर 2 मिनट के बाद?
Alina, right here.
Alina is amazing. Alina is a real
I've joined hope.
Alina is like the lifeline of everything that I do.
Live is a great way to connect to your fans at the age of social media. So what do you think? Do you think you're going to continue doing this? You can have like a real show, man. And I think you can...
No, I'm like totally putting an album out now.
You found your calling on some level because
yeah,
man.
Man.
When I saw you on Instagram, I was like, this is his home ground right now. You know?
Totally, because socho na, ke the fact that I wouldn't come on television because it was a hassle to wear the clothes. It was a hassle to go and then get...
You can wear the same Hatawa t-shirt every day and come on in.
All the time.
I used to tell Ali Noor when he used to go for his recordings, please put on a shirt, like a nice shirt, like at least not ones with holes in it. And he'd be like, huh, I'm like spaced out, okay? But it was amazing. तुम याद है मुझे ज़ैनब मार्केट लेके जाती थी कपड़े दिलाने के लिए. तो वो रिलीज़ है. Even हम रिक्शे में भी बैठ के कहीं गए थे, मुझे याद है. We have too many childhood stories like that.
I swear, man.
One too many.
God. But Anusha, it is so good to see you, mashallah, mashallah. ये तो मुझे खुश लग रही है. सबसे मुझे खुशी की बात है. बहुत खुश हूँ. लो, मैं जैसे ही बोला खुश, जैसे ही बोला खुश, I know. बस जैसे बोलूँ खुश, शक्ल बन जाती है तुम्हारी. क्या?
I just feel like...
Sorry, Anusha, I'm watching Culture with my mom, and this is using F word. Never expected this. I guess you should fuck off. Never totally expect this is with the red phrase. Fuck, fuck. Sorry. Who's this? Naman Shuja. Fuck Shuja. तो parents को तो पता है हम fuck बोलते हैं यार. तुम्हारी अम्मा के सामने तो हम सब कुछ बोलते हैं. I think it's time now. It's time now that we just chilled out, man. We watch movies. We watch people making out on movies. We do all the shit. For God's sake, get dualities. Kab tak chalengi yaar? I mean, what the hell? We're on Instagram. We can do what we want for the first time in our fucking lives. Ever. Anusha, ever.
I guess we can, but I guess we also have to take into account that there are lots of people. Well, it's also true. You can be you.
I think this duality doesn't work for me. This duality does. ये मेरे लिए नहीं चलती. I'll tell you what. मुझे हैरानी होती है. I see all the people. मैंने जब से Instagram system on किया, मैंने जाके देखना शुरू किया. मैंने लोगों के web pages वो देखे, sorry, उनकी तस्वीरें देखी, और मुझे एहसास हुआ कि हर इंसान इतना effort करके अपनी तस्वीरें लगाता है, इतना effort करके अपनी बातें करता है. एक अपने ऊपर ही सेंसर कर दिया यार. अपने ऊपर एक वो लगा दिया. What the hell? मतलब जब फाइनली फ्रीडम मिला, अरे भाई लोग कैसे बोलेंगे? पहले तो बोलते थे गजनफर साहब माइंड करते थे, उससे पहले पीटीवी वाले माइंड करते थे, पहले पैमरे वाले माइंड करते थे, अब फाइनली हमारी बारी आई तो व्हाट द फक? सीरियसली? Jesus.
I mean, I guess I understand what you're saying. I think social media is a lot about people following you for who you are and loving you for who you are. So, you know, that really does.
I think social media to me is the biggest freedom that I never realized this.
And you can keep it,
the freedom.
You can keep it away from your children if you don't think it's okay. You can just watch it by yourself.
Do you have any idea how much my daughter... I was overhearing Azad talking to his friend. They were swearing that... Yeah, Anusha, do you remember how much we used to swear when we were young? You swore when you were like 10 years of age, man. What the hell?
No,
I'm just saying...
I'd like to defend myself here. I wouldn't swear really, but also because my mother wouldn't let me in the house. My mother didn't allow
Listen, what I'm trying to say is what I'm trying to say is that it's not a. There was a time it was a question of propriety. There was a time when the whole country, the people, everybody, you know, I thought it was wrong to say even shit. मैं तो उल्लू नहीं कहता था यार. But then times changed.
Shit in the house, and my mother used to say, "Watch your tongue."
And then times changed. Hamza released a song called Banchod. What the fuck? And my mom says, this is the most beautiful song I've heard. My mom never says shit. You know that.
Your mom is beautiful. So she says the most beautiful song you guys wrote. Amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, it takes your mom to raise you guys. You and Hamza.
I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you a new song today. I'm going to teach you. Give me the guitar, Selena. I'm going to teach you a new song. You're going to sing it with me.
Yeah.
And you're going to sing it as I sing it, okay?
No. I'm not.
This is going to be fun.
On my platform. This is.
There's nothing abusive about your platform. Anusha is trying to save a sinking ship.
I think I'm the sinking ship here, and Ali Noor has kind of found himself. You know, even Adnan the other day was on air, and somebody just said, "Ha, ye wo." So now I was like, you know what? You don't like it? Just get out of my space. And I was in shock, and I was like, I appreciate it. I mean, Adnan was pretty much like, yeah, if you don't like what you're watching, you can always, you know.
I mean, the shit that you're watching. The kind of stuff that you're watching, I just
want to put the phone here.
No. I'm gonna teach a song to Anusha. Anusha, you have to sing this song with me.
So, can I put this here?
I'm not going to sing if it has dirty words. Then I'm not going to do it.
Oh my God, it's not going to have dirty words in it, my friend.
Alina.
Alina is like putting like the full. Oh God, एक second. उसने full मेरे लिए stand लगाया. आवाज आ रही है तुम्हें?
आ रही है.
Okay.
आवाज आ रही है.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yeah.
Okay, sing with me. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. Repeat after. तू सुन रहा है.
तू सुन रहा है.
जो चल रहा है वो क्या है?
जो चल रहा है वो क्या है?
सीडी पुरानी.
सीडी पुरानी.
कैसेट कहानी.
कैसेट कहानी.
आगे चल भैया क्यों रुकता है?
आगे चल भैया क्यों रुकता है?
रोता क्यों है?
रोता क्यों है?
खुद ही कर ले.
क्या कर ले?
खुद ही कर ले. खुद ही कर ले. खुद ही कर ले.
खुद ही कर ले.
बातें ना बना.
बातें ना
बातें ना बना. बातें ना बना. Can you hear it? बैंजो नया गाना बना. नया गाना बना. 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 बैंजो नया 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 नया. And I never said, I said banjo.
Banjo naya gana bana. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. Banjo is an instrument.
So sing with me. Banjo naya gana bana. Naya gana bana. Banjo naya. Anusha.
मुझे पूरे पाकिस्तान की नहीं पड़ी. मुझे पूरे पाकिस्तान की देखने की नहीं पड़ी. मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरी अम्मा.
I just said banjo. I swear the song is called banjo. It is B-A-N-J-O. You know the instrument banjo?
I think my mother is well enough to understand that I can only do this with a So I think my mother would just understand that, you know, he made this song and he just sang it. But
It's banjo.
So there you
It's
go.
banjo. It's about. I'm asking a banjo to play a new song for me.
Yeah.
I think वो
amazing.
निकल
Yeah,
है.
exactly.
Oops.
This is
I'll
good.
go get you another one.
Ali, I remember you had a music block in the middle. You know, I remember
Very bad
you
one.
had a music block. And
So
the
this
music was
is that song. This is a song that I wrote for myself to get out of the map block. So it's a very
Yeah.
real song. It's not like something I'm saying this to myself, that I got to write a song. I got to write a new song. And it's really hard to write a new song, you know?
Is it hard
And
to
in
compose
today's
it or
time,
hard to write it?
it's been hard, everything, man. I've been going through a really, really bad phase in my life. You know it. I've just gotten out of it. And all I can say is that creativity is a fucking bitch. It's just been completely out of my hands.
And
It's
if
been
a
out of my
creative person has
hands.
a creative block, I think they start questioning their existence like I did. Like I was like, I just don't
Yeah.
do anything in my life. So
It
becomes
is
very
so
creative.
difficult.
Yeah.
And
So Ali Noor,
by
last we heard you weren't doing well. So Ali Noor had a really terrible case of, well, let's just say, wasn't even food poisoning? I don't know what the hell happened, but it was a new level.
my liver completely failed from just one burger.
तो तुम शीशा पी रहे हो तो लिवर क्या क्या होगा?
शीशे का लिवर से क्या ताल्लुक है मुझे? क्या हो गया तुम्हें?
पता नहीं.
अगर मैं गंद वाला खाऊंगा.
Smoke doesn't affect your liver? You know, this is a question we'd had back in the day as well. So do you think you're going to die young? I know it's a really morbid question, but do you think you're going to, how long do you think you're going to live in this world? How
Dude,
long do you want to live in this world?
you know that I've been through, when I was in that ICU, I saw those cartoon-like characters coming and telling me. I remember I told you my dream. I used to have the same dream over and over again, that, you know, I'm in a place and there's this what you may call gate, and these cartoon-like characters are telling me, "Abhi tumhara time nahi, you're not supposed to go in." Now, I don't know whether it was the ammonia in my head or whatnot, but uske baad, I was like, you know,
I know you told me, but so they weren't spirits. They were actually like cartoon characters, or were they cartoon-like?
They were cartoon-like characters, but that's not the point. The point is that I experienced something almost like death. And after that, I accepted the fact that death is probably the biggest reality.
Yeah.
It was not, मैं तुम्हें ये बता रहा था कि the feeling of my best luck or the best thing that has happened to me is not the fact that I survived. Is the fact that my past seems like water under the bridge. It seems like I can move on, you know? I can be myself. I was living such a screwed up life. And I didn't, because I don't think, na tum, na main, we've been through hell, man. And we're not bad people, right? We're not bad people. We were,
but I think our curse
I mean,
is the fact that our brain works overtime, and I think that's a curse, and it's not a blessing, really.
I don't, but all I'm trying to say is that by and large, I thought I was a good person and I should have a good life, but I never got one. And that has nothing to do with the outside world. It was
coming back from like a near death point and telling me that I don't think I've been a good person in my life.
Yeah. And I realized it. And I only got a chance to understand that जब आप अपनी इंसानियत की अपनी उसको unexamined तरीके से जिंदगी गुजार रहे होते हैं, I don't think I've hurt that many people. I must have hurt people, but not that many people. I'm not like generally, I mean, the fact that people cared for me so much when I felt sick goes to show that मुझे कुछ तो चाहते थे. But still, I felt that I haven't done quite a few things right in my life. And I'm not going to be hard on myself unnecessarily, but by and large, I feel that it's time to.
Do you look back and think that you're glad you felt sick because it was like a wake-up call for you to be who you're actually now going to be in this world?
It was the best thing that could happen to me, man. It was the best thing ever.
Really.
It was like my entire life is like a water under the bridge. I've moved on like I've never moved on. You have no clue how emancipated I feel. You have no clue how happy I've learned how to accept. And you're also going to have to learn the same thing, my love. Acceptance is what we have to, this is the thing that we have to learn. And we have to learn it with honesty, with sincerity, and we have to learn it genuinely with a you know.
Sending you Ali Kazmi.
Hey, Ali Kazmi, it's been a while, man. How are you?
I wish you could do 3-day talks, but I know what you're saying. And I kind of keep.
We like do a house party and stuff.
है ना, हाउस पार्टी लेकिन हम लाइव नहीं कर सकते ना, फिर आपको लोग नहीं देख सकते. Somebody saying अल्लाह को भी याद किया करो.
अल्लाह को याद करो, तौबा करो. तुम्हें कोई अंदाजा नहीं है मैं कितना अल्लाह को याद करता हूँ. अयाज खान तेरे से ज्यादा करता हूँ. समझ रहा, मुकाबला करना है तो आ जा. मुकाबला कर लेते हैं.
I think you really felt connected with the spiritual. You had a spiritual resurrection of sorts as well, or did you not?
नहीं, मैं तो वाकई में यार, मतलब मुझे तो अल्लाह मेरे लिए इतनी बड़ी रियलिटी बन गया, इतनी बड़ी रियलिटी बन गया, बट उसका हरगिज मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं ये नहीं करने वाला कि 900 चूहे खा के बिल्ली क्या हज करने चली
हाँ,
गई,
नहीं,
ये
वो नहीं
बुलशिट में नहीं
होता,
करने वाला।
ये नहीं होने वाला, because I think God is such an amazing entity that he connects with who he connects to, and that's it. And then
एंड
you become
एंड बाय द वे, जिसकी किस्मत होती है ना उसको मौका मिलता है। वैसे तो हर बंदा कोशिश करता है, मगर जब एक दफा वो किसी को लिफ्ट करा दे ना अल्लाह मियां, और किसी को जरा दिखा दे कि वो क्या चीज है, तो फिर उसकी वो ना चाहते भी इंसान की जिंदगी बदल जाती है। मैं तो कुछ हो ही नहीं, आई एम नोबडी, एब्सोल्युटली।
none of us are, and yet we are everything. Yet we are worth so much, and like.
But I think this Corona time is the best thing that could have happened to mankind. On a serious note, as much as people are freaking out, this is the first time we're getting an opportunity to reflect. The first time we're getting an opportunity to understand over so many things that we've been doing wrong, and just on a very personal level, the fact that we have been on this complete crazy fucking roller coaster of trying to achieve or trying to do, things that are just not so important,
But what do we do now? What do we do? Like, what does this mean? What do you mean? We sit home and reflect?
Find
That
a
is what it actually means?
purpose. Yeah, fine. You see, purpose in life cannot be about becoming a rock star or becoming a great VJ or having fucking 1,000 Instagram followers or whatever. There must be something bigger in purpose. And purpose cannot also be कि जी हम अब heaven की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, so let's just pray 50,000 times in a day so we can go to heaven and be scared of hell. Right? Purpose has to be something that we can spiritually, emotionally, intellectually integrate and then find the peace within that. Purpose is peace. And believe me, दुनिया में peace आ नहीं सकता जब तक लोग खुद से अंदर से peaceful नहीं है ना यार। सारे लोग तो फिरौन नहीं होते, सारे लोग बुरे होते ही नहीं है। 99% लोग अच्छे ही होते हैं, 1% लोग बुरे होते हैं जिसके बारे में लोग कहानियां लिखते हैं। एक यजीद है, 2000 यजीद नहीं है, समझ रही हो? एक हिटलर है, करोड़ हिटलर तो नहीं बनते।
करोड़ों तो नहीं बनते। How about this? Somebody saying maybe you're a privileged and that's why you don't think about people who need basic needs.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही बात है। बेसिक नीड्स जो है ना, वो बिल्कुल सही बात है। आप कह रहे हैं कि देखो, मेरा कसूर नहीं है कि मेरे माँ बाप के पास घर में खाने को था, लेकिन मेरा कसूर ये जरूर है कि मैं दूसरों के लिए फील ना करूं। और हर बंदा अपनी बिसात और अपनी औकात के मुताबिक लोगों की मदद कर सकता है। एंड आई थिंक लोगों की मदद करने का जज्बा और ख्वाहिश बहुत सारे लोगों में होती है। क्रिटिसिज्म बहुत हो गया यार, बहुत हो गया। You've lived an entire fucking life criticizing. सारे दिन न्यूज पे सुनते हैं, सब लोगों से बातें करते हुए सुनते हैं, सिर्फ बुराई बुराई बुराई। And I'm telling you, one thing I realized is that I thought that identifying, I used to write songs that if I identify the bad things of a society or whatever, the society will change. It has never happened like that. It never happens. Pointing out the flaws just makes them worse.
Live and let live with Quarantine Lab is saying, because she's you had a talk with her the other day जब तुम्हें सिर्फ खूबसूरत लड़कियों से बात करना था तो तुमने इनकी कॉल ली थी। वो उस रात जब हॉलीवुड मैं सिर्फ खूबसूरत लड़कियों की कॉल दूंगा ना के बाद।
एक सेकंड, बाय द वे, मैंने कभी जिंदगी में बदसूरत लड़की देखी नहीं है। मेरे लिए दुनिया की हर लड़की खूबसूरत है, ये बात तुम जानती हो। अनुषा को ये बात पता है। अनुषा मुझे कहती है तुम्हारा स्टैंडर्ड बहुत लो है। मैं कहता हूँ मैंने कभी बदसूरत लड़की देखी नहीं है। मुझे हर लड़की खूबसूरत लगती है, हर लड़की दुनिया की।
If you ever tell me Anusha you're looking beautiful, I should be like he doesn't even mean it because he says it to every girl.
Shamil Bare, हाँ please switch कर दे। I'm sorry, I'm really sorry Shamil, you have to switch to something else. I can't help it man, I just can't. मेरे माँ बाप ने बहुत गंदी upbringing की है मेरी। Horrible parents I have. It's my fragile mind.
Okay, somebody sending you love from India.
Alinur, I'm Khoonsurat. Yes, you are Khoonsurat.
Khoonsurat. Tanya says she's Khoonsurat. Hey,
Alinur's looking.
Save this video highlight to something permanently. I want to listen to him every day. I know I should save this video, but I'm gonna find out some downloadable app because Alinur's conversations are really enlightening if you can get what he's trying to say and minus what he's doing. and sing. You know, because there's a lot of sense in the middle, and you, over the years, I've learned how to filter what I need, what is for my benefit, and then hasi mazak ko I know how to filter it. So don't get upset.
I have always, so Anusha को ना मैंने बहुत patronize किया सारी जिंदगी. This is for the fans,
so
and everybody.
I think the first time anybody made me really cry about who I am as a person. No, but I remember feeling like you were just like this, and I was a pretty fun DJ. I was making a good amount of money. So for me, as a basic person, I thought my life is amazing. Like I'm popular. Like boys think I'm really cute. I'm intelligent. I make money. I have a great TV show. And this guy just gave me a reality check and said, "You are so away from who you should be and who you are that you'll never find yourself in this world, in this ugly world of you being." And then it went a step further with Instagram, I think, because the selfies you see and, the things that you, it depends on how you use Instagram, but it's true. I mean, it's true. I do put up selfies all the time, and then I question myself, and I do put up makeup, and we've all started pouting. We all want our skin to look good. We all want to look fair and lovely and have more followers. And these are, and you just call us out on it, and I think that's a good thing. Somebody needs to.
But Anusha, you know what? For the first time, I want to tell you that I don't want to be driven by criticism anymore. You are beautiful to me with all your Instagram, with all your limitations, whatever I've said to you, whatever I've been saying to you, I want to tell you, and I've been not just saying it to you, I've been saying it to everyone who comes in my life. I thought relationships were all about trying to pinpoint. I thought with all sincerity कि किसी के flaws को pinpoint करोगे तो वो ठीक हो जाएगा. But I'm sorry, I was absolutely wrong. I was so wrong that I couldn't be more wrong. ठीक है ना? And I've realized that from the and what does that mean? That does not mean कि आप हर इंसान अपने आप को improve करता है अपनी ही rejection करके. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. लेकिन उस process से मैं interfere करने का हक मेरे पास नहीं. वो अल्लाह मियां की मर्जी होती है. हर बंदे को मुझे कोई बताने वाला नहीं था. मैं अपने आप को, मैं जब सारा टाइम बैठ के लोगों को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा हूं तो मुझे कोई ये बताता कि यार तुम कितनी गलत बात कर रहे हो लोगों को क्रिटिसाइज करके, तुम इससे क्या तीर निकाल लोगे. हाँ, अपनी तरफ से क्या कहते हैं and I think it was my culture, the background to where I came from, it was my.
I think you were coming from a good place because you always said I remember you telling me, Anusha, I think you should be a lawyer because you were a lawyer. And I remember you telling me to leave my job at Indus Music so I could pursue more real things in life instead of just like, we'll play something. It's time for one small, short song and then we'll come back.
Get the fuck out. What song should I sing? Your song. Some song that you really want me to play. The one that you really like.
I mean, I'm very, very typical like that. So my favorite song of Muri will always be Manmare, unfortunately.
I know, but
I love it.
How about a song that that you know, but most people don't know, that you have heard, and a lot of people haven't heard. By the way, Anusha was, it still is, but was a very, 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 very close part of my life. And Karachi mein to life was very incomplete without her. Whenever I used to be in Karachi,
I know. We had a good time.
वैसे अनुषे, माशाल्लाह तुम अब मुझे वाकई बहुत इससे खुश और अच्छी लग रही हो. तो पता है बात. शुक्र है.
I know. Even last
Anusha, guys, you don't know Anusha, the shit that she's been through. I swear to God. Oh God, man. Yeah, it's such a pleasure to see you alive and kicking, man. And I hope you're sick.
I remember the time you came to your house last day. I cried.
I know. I was so worried about you. Yeah, I was like,
Somebody saying,
Anisha.
Mere log. I'll spam the comments with mere log. And does it get difficult to be creative once you find your piece and stop voicing opinions on things you stand for? Says Yasir Reza. That's interesting.
So that's a very, very valid. So I think what I should do today, instead of like playing old. So one thing I want to share is that one of the most painful things for me right now, as a person who, made music almost 15 years ago, is that I feel like a nostalgia act. Everybody asked me to play Manbar, everybody asked me to play Mere Log, and I feel like, holy shit, that's all I'm going to be known for. And then that's when, that that urge that kicks in. Ki, nahi, I want to write new songs. I want to write, new things. So I'm going to play a new song to you. Okay, this song I did, I think this song is so relevant. Can you see me, Ari? This song is so relevant to what I went through and now what the whole world is going through. It's called Nahi Marna. Okay, na?
Nahi Marna. Wow, it's so relevant.
Nahi Marna. Okay, let's do this. हो गिना मैं गिना तारे गिना जिना दे बिना मैं नहीं रहना ओ रुल जा भूल जा कुछ तेरे कोल नहीं रहना तन मन छोड़ा दिल भी तोड़ा मद की दीवानी हुई जग से बेगानी हंजू सारे मुख मैं तुझे तारे पढ़निया बार बार अपने विच नहीं रहना यार करनी ना ऐसे दिलों नहीं सहना तू बोली दिल से लड़के तू की करना तू बोली दिल से इंज हूँ मैं नहीं मरना 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 इंज हूँ मैं नहीं मरना
Oh, this is so lovely and it's so relevant.
You like it?
I love it. I love it, but that's also biased because I've actually gone ahead and said stuff on TV like I think Noori is bigger and better than Alamir. I said it on TV the other day and nobody was mad at me. So I love you guys to death. So and I say really ridiculous things because I just feel like, but I genuinely believe that you guys were and are the most talented people I know, like literally, without just, and I feel like it comes from, and all your music comes from somewhere. It doesn't come because you need to get or create something. It just comes.
Ali Hamza and I think both Ali Hamza and I, although Ali Hamza का सिर्फ लाइव सेशन हो रहा है, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि 10 बजे तुम्हारे साथ ही बात कर उसका भी चल रहा है. खैर, I know, मुझे ख्याल ही नहीं आया. Anyways, so what I was saying was,
Siddharth is saying that he cried when he listened to the song at your place.
Aww, Sidhu, my little babies. So
Wow.
when I was Ali Hamza and I think we went through, now in retrospect, went through a horrible time in which we got so sick of playing the same songs over and over and over again. And Ali Hamza especially went through worse than I did. Why? Because Ali Hamza ke andar itne gaane bane hue the, and for some odd reason, hum wohi Noori ke 10-15 gaanon mein phas gaye. Or eventually,
that doesn't mean you need to stop creating music.
So that's what we realized. So obviously we put a hold to the band. We've definitely put a hold to the band. We don't want to do Noori. We really don't want to do Noori for at least till we have taken out that new music out. So we can come together again. So Hamza and I decided कि जब तक हम दोनों 25 गाने individually release नहीं करेंगे, we're not gonna, we just want to put out a lot of our own content, which is going to help us evolve. And then when we reconnect, on a musical thing, because Hamza and I know how to complete each other's sentences. Hamari jo,
I think that's why a lot of us just got really upset when Noori was not happening anymore. And,
no, but I think it's very much there. In fact, it's more there than it could ever have been. Hamza और मेरी तो in fact distancing हो गई थी because of this whole Noori business. जो मेरा हमजा का bond है, जो मेरी हमजा की जो relationship है, वो suffer कर रही थी because of the fact that Noori became such a job. It became like a thing that we're doing.
And I'm so glad. And he was always against it. And I used to insist, कि नहीं करना है, करना है, करना है, करना है, करना है. And then I dragged him into it for such a long time. Now I realize he was so right. He was so right from the get-go. Okay, nahi yaar, we have to give that.
I mean, and I know this is a really personal question. I should actually ask Hamza this, but do you think there was a point where you think you maybe overshadowed him in some way because he's such a talent in himself?
I must have, because you see what had happened. Hamza ko main overshadow nahi karta tha. Hamza ki, like, Noori was supposed to be Hamza singing, being the singer, and me being the guitar player. It's just that Hamza has always been this person who, you know, who's like, you know, uska dil उठ जाता है हर चीज से. So it was बचपन से हम उसको खींच के साथ, तो वो गलत होता था कि उसको अपने साथ दबा के खींच के रखना है. So overshadow का मसला नहीं था. मसला ये था कि उसकी जो एक जनरल उसका शौक खत्म हो जाता था बहुत जल्दी. He's got a short span of attention. So उसका ये होता था कि वो, मतलब उसने अपनी आधी से ज्यादा जिंदगी मुझे डेडिकेट की है. उसने अपनी आधी से ज्यादा जिंदगी अपने बहुत सारी चीजों को फॉरगो करके सैक्रिफाइस की है मेरे लिए. And I realize that now. And he did it very happily. He didn't do it unhappily. But it's just that कि eventually उसके अंदर भी तो बहुत creativity है ना. मुझसे ज्यादा creativity उसके अंदर है. The way he writes lyrics, the way he comes up. In fact, Noori के सारे गाने ही उधर से निकलते थे. If he hadn't written a song in Urdu, I would have never formed Noori. वो तो जब उसने गाना बनाया तो मैंने कहा, oh shit, let's make a band. And but ये कि obviously I'm very I have very high energy level.
But did you guys feel lost without each other in the beginning? Because I remember seeing you at some point, and I felt like maybe you were upset or hurt, or I don't know. There was something that was missing, and I couldn't tell what it was. And then I had so many of my own issues.
We went through a very painful time.
Like, this is what I'm going through, so you please take care of me.
I think मेरे और अली हमजा के 1-2 साल बहुत miserable गुजरे. 2-3 साल बहुत miserable गुजरे, जहां we realized that we were no longer close anymore. And I think मेरी बीमारी ने, God was very kind कि मेरी बीमारी ने सब कुछ सही किया. And सिर्फ इसकी वजह से ये बीमारी ने मुझे और हमजा को, मतलब मैं हमजा से गले रख के सोता था. मतलब मुझे इतना ज्यादा, और जितना मैं उसको चाहता हूँ उतना वो मुझे चाहता है. I mean, it's real, man, and it's very real. The way we love each other it's not chota bhai bada bhai, but I used to play bada bhai to him, and that was a bit asilistic of me. I've always played bada bhai.
Bada bhai to everybody who'd see. Even if you'd sit with my mother, you'd be like her bada bhai telling her what to do.
So that's, you know, that's the price I've had to pay for. I've had to pay a price for that. And but I'm okay. Yeah. All is well that ends well. That is what is important, you know.
Okay, listen, we can somebody's saying I can just keep hearing Alinoor speak forever. Alinoor, तुम podcast करो.
पॉडकास्ट नहीं मुझे मजा आता, मुझे लोगों से बात करने का मजा आता है. सिर्फ खूबसूरत लड़कियों से बात करने का मजा आता है. हाँ तो वही ना.
3 days of Instagram made me respect you 3,000 times than I did, says Nisar. Wow.
अच्छा. So now मेरे Insta.
Are you looking for fan following, or are you looking for understanding, or just communication with people?
I'm looking for conversations. I'm looking and desperate. You see, I think that today is the time to talk. We have to talk a lot more, and we have to talk meaningful stuff. And meaningful stuff does not mean giving each other lectures anymore, because that's all I knew. Now I don't know that. Now I'm talking about, I want to be able to, you know, there is so much to talk. There's so much to talk today because so much has happened around us. We're all grown up. We're all, I've been constrained to sit in our homes. Like तुम्हें याद है, तुमसे कहता था यार तुम किसी जगह fit नहीं कभी तुम्हें. You remember just coming to Karachi and trying to meet you was a big deal. You know what I'm saying? Just मुलाकात करना एक हर वक्त हर बंदा एक फिरकी की तरह भाग दौड़ कभी यहाँ कभी यहाँ. Thank God that phase is over. Not just for you and me, for everyone. मेरा तो वैसे भी कुछ इतना खास नहीं था, मगर बाकी दुनिया भी. तो मुझे इस टाइम को, I want to make use of this time and have a lot of conversations about everything, you know, talk about and there is no agendas, there's no plans anymore. There's no plan to you know, अब हम क्या कर लें, किस तरह से कर लें. I was thinking a lot, you know, I was very upset with the whole corona thing, and then the doer in me said, okay, let's do this, let's do that, and I'm like, nahi yaar, just take it easy. Just take it easy. You've never got a chance to read a book. You never got a chance to listen to music properly. You've always been doing it in a frenzy. For the first time, शुरू में बहुत frenzy लग रहा था कि जैसे पूरा पाकिस्तान रुक जाएगा. But this is, and inshallah, when we get out of all of this, I hope we're not going to be the same people, you know?
We will be, but maybe some of us will be better. Let's just look at it this way.
I hope so. I hope that, you know, I hope कि तुम्हें reflection का time है मेरी जान. This is the time to reflect. And reflection is not the same as just feeling and observation. Reflection is कि जहाँ आप अपनी observations के ऊपर thinking करते हैं, अपनी emotions के ऊपर कहते हैं कि यार मैं ऐसे क्यों feel करता हूँ, मैं ऐसे past में क्या करता था, फिर अपने past को analyze करते हैं. और analysis का मतलब कोई scientific analysis नहीं है, एक personal analysis होता है. और उसमें you're not supposed to beat yourself around कि मैं बहुत बुरा हूँ. I think Anusha, all of us, particularly you, me, we can't beat ourselves around anymore. We can't beat ourselves about anything.
I think it comes with age.
We have.
So it's come late into my life, but now I've really accepted myself like for the way I am, and I feel like the minute you start doing that, other people start accepting you for who you are, and that's what's happening. And then you found that as well, you know, and it happens. And these questions are relevant. They should be asked. They should be discussed. And conversations is the best, I think, way to perhaps. You know, talk. And I think you, again, like I keep saying, I think you should do a Zoom call every day with like 50, 60 people who sign up, and there's just a conversation, and one would like to hear what you mean.
नहीं बिल्कुल,
you know?
You're absolute. नहीं बिल्कुल करूँगा, inshallah. I'm just like very gung-ho on trying to record this song, Banjo, and I want you to actually come in that video for me, please. I'm getting like, I want to get all the people over here, please can you come in my video, and I want all of us to sing these lyrics. And then we'll put a music video of it together. I want to do it before Ramzan so that, you know.
Yeah. If I ask you a list of 5 things, because I know that, you know, Mandana has been there since forever. And Hamza, your family. So what are the 5? Okay, first the song. Let's play Sari Raat and then we'll come back to this question.
Okay, Sari Raat.
नहीं. That's my बाकी हमारे पास नहीं खत्म हो जाएगा.
Sari Raat. Sari Raat. Okay. Sari Raat jaga re डूबे मन मेरा जो हारा रे खो दिए वो लम्हे सारे रे आज है ढूंढते यारा रे मेरी जान तूने जाना मेरे जाना मेरी जान तेरी नाम मेरी नाम डर आया ना रात जागी है मेरे दिल में खुद आना पाया जो भी दिल में तेरे लिए हारा यार रे दिल लिए सारे बंदे से जब तेरी आंखें सो जाए और तेरी यादें खो जाए तेरे तन में तेरे मन में तेरे घर को आग लग जाए और तुझे जागना आए
You know, there's so many of your fans. That was amazing. There's so many of your fans who really want to be in your video, by the way. They're like, we'll work from our own house and be in your video.
Yeah. So Alina is going to figure something out, and I think we have to do this very, very soon. Ramzan kab shuru ho raha hai?
24.
We better put it out before that, man. I'm going to do it. So मैं कल गाना तुमको WhatsApp पे भेज रहा हूँ. And you better.
The time is actually now to do everything. Like work on it tonight, work on it tomorrow, and get it out of the way.
Yeah.
We'll do it in 3, 4, 5 days because you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. And you know what? I just really want to do an album now. I mean, you have no idea that how. मैं बहुत complacent हुआ था. Even बीमारी के बाद से I was a bit unsure, but now.
Mandana is laughing at us. Okay, Mandana Noor is on air and she's laughing at us. Mandana, we love you and don't laugh at us.
Mandana आ जाओ ना, कहाँ हो तुम?
हाँ Mandana.
एक तो हम लोग I wish ऐसे अनुषे तुम यहाँ पे लाहौर आती, you had such a good time over. Oh, मंदाना इधर आ गई. मैंडी जल्दी आ जाओ.
When is Pagal coming out?
Pagal is gonna come out very soon.
Pagal is out. Look at him. He's Pagal. Hi.
How are you?
How are you? कैसी है विगान?
बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, तुम कैसी हो?
Good, good.
मंदाना कबाब में हड्डी है कि नहीं है, पहले पूछे, सब लोगों से पूछे.
You have Mandana has been in quarantine with Ali Noor since I think like, and she's actually.
इसने मुझे बुलाया है तो मैं आई हूँ, वरना मैं नहीं आ रही थी. अभी मुझे अब बुला रहा है और उसके बाद हड्डी भी कह रहा है.
Exactly, नहीं मैं तो बुला रही हूँ, and I just feel like I just feel like Ali Noor, you don't appreciate Mandana enough for the rock that she's been in your life, so you might as well do it.
यार देखो, जब पूरी दुनिया उसको अप्रिशिएट करे तो मेरे करने का फायदा क्या?
देखो सर, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर.
घर की मुर्गी नहीं है ये मंदाना, जो है ना, इसको
घर की मुर्गा है.
मैं इसको बुरा भला तंगी इसलिए करता कि मैं इसको तंगी इसलिए करता हूँ ताकि सबके सब जो है ना, सारे बाकी सबके सब जो लोग हैं ना, वो उसकी तारीफें किया करे. तो मैंने इसको दुनिया में सुपर फेमस बना दिया है, जस्ट बाय बीइंग नास्टी टू हर ऑल द टाइम.
This is his strategy, you know. This was all the time. All this time he was having a strategy. It was him who was doing it.
Dia is asking a question, and she's like, "What's the secret of long-lasting happy relationships?" So let me answer for you guys first. I just feel like they're really, really good friends. I feel like
because I get to make friends with lots of other girls, and she allows me to do it. That is why.
Okay.
ये मुझे बड़ा सपोर्ट करती है. ये मेरे सारे लव अफेयर सपोर्ट करती है बहुत ज्यादा, इसलिए.
Now you know why the album is called Pagal.
And rightly so.
The complete essence of Ali Noor.
देखो वैसे अनुषे, you know के मुझे कितना सपोर्ट करती है. अनुषे को तो मेरी सारी बेहूदियों का पता है.
सारी दुनिया को तुम्हारी बेहूदियों का पता है. तुम पोस्टर लगा के फिरते हो अली नूर.
अब तो सभी को पता चल गया है कि you know.
हाँ, कोई 200 बंदा था जो सुन रहा है.
Mandana, what do you think? What is it that you know the two of you are still so close and together, mashallah, and so happily? What is it?
ये एल्फी है इसके पास.
हाँ,
एल्फी लेके फिरती है ये.
वैसे I think there are two things. We have to give each other space. At the same time, we don't give each other space, and we are very expressive, and we are what we feel we say it. हाँ, कई दफा हमारी लड़ाई होती है इस बात पे, but I think communication और as Ali Noor puts it,
ये कि मुझे बच्चे फसाने देती है, इसलिए इसका फायदा है. That's it.
As Ali Noor puts it, कि क्या कहती हो तुम, we have zero communication, but we have all the communication because अगर हम बोलेंगे नहीं तो हम सोएंगे नहीं. So I think that's the main.
Somebody's asking Mandana, how have you survived his jugat se? How have you survived?
I have survived so far. This is me surviving.
देखो हम दोनों ने इतना सारा weight gain किया, that goes to show कि हम survive करते हैं. मोटे हो गए दोनों.
No, I think
Hepatitis. Thanks to hepatitis, we have survived.
Oh God, that was really something. I remember seeing you guys. तुम लोग कोई वो खा रहे थे कुछ boiled vegetables और पता नहीं.
Oof, Allah.
Ali Noor,
Remember?
I have a little quiz for you guys. Do you think you're smarter than a 5th grader, Ali Noor?
Huh?
Is that the quiz?
Are you smarter than a 5th grader?
I highly
No, I
doubt
don't
it.
think so.
Both of us are not.
Okay, so what is the Ali Noor के general knowledge check करते हैं. What is the fastest bird on foot? And your options are ostrich, sparrow, eagle, dragon,
Ostrich.
Ostrich होए, उसके ऊपर लोग भागते हैं बैठ.
Well done, well done.
Well done, Ali Noor. Well done.
अच्छा मंदाना इसको तो बच्चों को पढ़ा रही होती है ना, उसको पता होगा. What planet is closest to the sun? Is it Venus or Earth or Mercury?
Mercury.
True. It's true.
अच्छा.
Well done. Mercury. अच्छा heptagon की कितने sides होते हैं Ali Noor? मतलब कि 4, 6 या 7?
6 नहीं 7.
7 होते हैं.
Yes.
Yeah, well done. Not bad. एक और, one last. What is the largest South American country in terms of area?
South America है कहाँ? Bedia. Bedia is the largest South American country.
Man.
बेदिया. क्या तुम मम्मी डैडी किस किस्म की तुम ये कॉर्नी बातें कर रही हो? मैं भी तुमसे एक सवाल पूछूं नुशे?
पूछो
पूछो। अच्छा ये बताएं कि आपका
करता होता है।
ये ज्यादा हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा। कुछ नहीं, I'll get in trouble. बताना मैं चुटकियां काट, ठीक है?
मनाना अभी जाएगा 3 बजे, सुबह 3 बजे।
ये बता, तेरी माँ दी पैन तेरी की लगती है? हाँ ये
sounded so dirty. You really... For 1 minute, I was like, he's constantly been saying the F word.
That is him.
My God, I was saying the F word. F was fuck.
Well, you know he can't live without swearing.
Yeah, he is who he is, and that's why I think we all love you. That's the only reason.
है ना? मेरे बच्चों ने
मैंने संजना को फक कहना सिखा दिया।
तुम्हें पता है एक दफा, okay, so this is a real story. First time ever Azad sweared. हम लॉरेंस गार्डन में था ना, लॉरेंस गार्डन में वॉक कर रहे, ठीक है? और अली नूर, हम लोग ऊपर को चढ़े थे, सो वहां जब हम चढ़े तो वहां अली नूर ने एकदम से बोला, फक, ये क्या है, ये क्या है, ये क्या है? तो आजाद ने उसकी कॉपी करना शुरू कर दी।
आजाद कहता, what the fuck? कितना क्यूट लगता है वो बात में कहते हैं।
He kept on saying it and he could not stop and we were like, Azad, stop it.
आजाद को बुला के गाली निकलवाएं, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज।
नहीं, कोई चक्कर ही नहीं है, but that was like,
I guess everybody learned galis.
You know, हमारे बच्चों को तो, you know, I think they've done it, said it so many times that now they're over the fact कि अली नूर का strategy है कि he wants to make sure that they keep on saying it. So once they grow up, they will be over and done with it and they will not do these things.
Or they will every say, oh, देव उनको पंजाबी गालियां नहीं सिखाई।
So please, अली नूर,
वो इतना क्यूट लगेगा था। पैन की
जब संजना बैठी होगी इसको सिखा रही होगी तो मुझे भी ऑनलाइन ले लेना, मैं भी सिखा।
वैसे गाइस ये बात सच है, अनुषा गालियां नहीं निकालती, बस तपती है तो कभी कभी थोड़ी सी निकाल देती है।
हाँ, I don't know what happened. I guess I was always on TV, always on radio, so I was like, if I make it a part of my daily language, then it's going to be out on radio all the time. And there's some kind of there, right?
हाँ, जिस तरह अली नूर हर वक्त कर रहा होता है।
वैसे अनुषा मुझे तो मजा आ गया इंस्टाग्राम का यार, मैं तो रोज करूंगा, रोज नहीं कर सकता, बट मैं कल तक मेरी बस ना हो जाए।
If you had to describe Ali Noor as a father in one word, what would you say? This is like a complete question.
Asshole.
I think he lets the kids do what they're doing. He observes them, and when he gets like, okay, this is not working out for me, then he gets a little bit involved, says what he needs to say, and just backs off. Then keeps on observing. So
live as well, unfortunately, but I'm live with Ali Hamza Parson at 10.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, on Siri FM.
तुम लोगों के timings were the same actually.
I know, कल मैंने
So they like, why are they not together?
नहीं, मुझे मेरी गलती होगी, मुझे पता नहीं था कि वो आज जा रहा है, मेरी थोड़ी सी टाइमिंग ऑफ हो गई।
लेकिन अली नूर का जो असल
नहीं, उन्होंने एक्चुअली कल डिसाइड किया, तुम लोगों ने मेरे ख्याल से कल ही डिसाइड किया।
अच्छा, लेकिन मैं सबको जितने लोग अभी इससे देख रहे हैं, मैं उनको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि अगर वो अली नूर को इन हिज एलिमेंट देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे ख्याल से रात को 2 बजे दोबारा लाइव चेक कर लीजिएगा।
I think I am going to go live. Okay, I am going to go live. अनुषा तू रेडी हो जा, 2 बजे अब तू मेरे साथ आ रही है, रात को 1 बजे।
You should have a late night show.
मैं आज लेट नाइट शो करूंगा, लेट नाइट विद नूर लगा दो भाई। I'm going to be late night with Ali Noor. Done हो गया। अभी हम हमजा कॉन्सर्ट देखने जाते हैं। अभी तुम ऑनलाइन हो, अब तुम जा रही हो, तुम्हारा घंटा खत्म हो गया ना?
नहीं, it's 10:54 मैं जा रही हूँ, but you're not going to sing Manware for us. I know. Okay, if you don't feel like it, don't sing it.
Gavi's going to sing now.
हाँ?
Too many people have asked for Manware, but if you don't want to sing
ढोल की ताल पे गा रे, ताल गा रे, अपना हाथ दर्द पाके, नाचो सबको नचा रे, मुख को घुमा ले, मन दो मनवाले, आज कोई चला है सच के पिया नगरिया रे, वो बंधन नाचे सारे, तोड़ के मनवारे, हो मनवारे, मनवारे, न तड़पारे, अगर दिल की न सुधारे, न भड़कारे, न चलकारे, ये नैनारे, हो मनवारे। कुछ टाइम खत्म हो गया था ना?
अलीनोर ने एंडिंग क्रेडिट्स कर दिए हैं.
Okay, love you.
Guys, bye.
See you soon, okay? Take care, Alinor. Thanks.
Okay.
And if you're live on
Bye.
you.
I'm gonna go on live. अभी रात में मैं जाऊंगा live. मैं जाऊंगा मैं live.
Alinor's show should be called Only on Headphones.
Only on headphone. Yes, only on headphone.
गालियां देते रहना पूरी रात.
Okay. Bye bye. Love you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.